Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Tesla Model 3 performance. Tesla finally make it available for us to order. So let's go straight to the Tesla website and let's take a look at the Model 3. And see, there you go. Order now, or we switch to performance. Ooh, looking nice, fancy there. So let's hit on order now. They have the website refresh. Something new with it. All right, so they have it on the lease. We talked about the lease price already, $299 a month, but let's talk about the cash price. And this is the Model 3 performance right here. This is the new wheels right here. It's 20-inch. I think after the last one, the 21-inch is bumpy. Now I think 20-inch is the sweet spot for Model 3 performance. And you see here, this is the front side, looks really nice. And they do have the red calipers. All right, so look at the range wise, it's less than previously. I think the previous was maybe what, 303 or 310, and now you get 296. Top speed 163 and 063 is 2.9 seconds. That is just crazy fast. All right, and look at the starting price is at $52,990, and then that was the price that I was, I was thinking that it would fall under, because Tesla, of course, they want to sell this performance higher than the regular model and the rear-wheel drive, and yet they want to qualify for the 7,500 tax credit. So, and they made it like 52, so that way you can add maybe like a color options, or just so that way it still stay under 55,000. So that way we get to qualify for the 7,500 tax credit, right? So look at the performance. So the features included. This one we already know, or this. All right, so we'll take a look at the performance upgrade. So this is what's included in the performance right here, as you see already, right? And we go down here. The paint wise, the stealth gray still it's free, and the white one will be $1,000. And blue 1,000, and black is 1,500, and also the ultra red is 2,000. So of all the colors, I think the ultra red is the best color. But let's stick to just the base one. And here you see the 20-inch warp wheels included, and it's summer tires right here. And interior, it's black. If you want the white one, you pay $1,500 more. So we just stick with that. FSD $8,000, and Tesla removed the enhanced autopilot, which is good. I think it's unnecessary. And then right here it tells you expected delivery from May to June, and it said this vehicle does qualify with the 7,500 for the federal tax credit. Right. So let's take a look at Tesla stocks quickly, and as you can see. During the day, it's at $144.68, and it was up like $2.63 from the day prior. And however, after hours, it went up to $163.96, and that's like 13% increase. So looks like it's going to be like going on upward now, back of the trends. Okay, and let's take a look at this article by Sawyer. I think is very interesting, and he did a comparison between the Tesla Model 3 performance and put it up against the BMW M3. So here is a comparison. Starting price for the M3 is $84,300. The base price is $76,000, and the Model 3 performance starting out is $52,990, and with the EVs credits, bringing it down to $45,490. That's almost like what, like close to half the price. 0-6 to 60 times the BMW is 3.4 seconds, and the Tesla performance is 2.9 seconds. That's crazy fast. And the weight itself, BMW is 3,990 pounds and more, and Tesla is 4,034 pounds. Horsepower wise, the BMW has 503 horsepower, and the Model 3 performance is 510. And as you can see, this is gasoline and this is electrics. So if you have a choice, which one would you buy? Please leave a comment below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please feel free to give a thumbs up. And if you love the content, and you feel free to subscribe. Other than that, take care, be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.